finally, you've explained that is your fear for the people, for the Indian community there. Why should Punjab here worry?
Oh my God, Punjab should worry is because we don't have any economic model in Punjab. You know it better than I do. The economy is gone for look. Imagine for a state being top 10 GDP per capita in the 80s.
Yeah.
And I think even in the 90s, Punjab was top 10 GDP per capita. Don't quote me on that. To now being number 19. And a broken society, a society where we... Listen, have you ever met a relative who has not said, how main unnu chitta lende hue dekhya si? Like chitta means, I think, drugs. So we know this is a problem in Punjab. The only solution seems to be go to Canada, as if वहाँ जाके उन्होंने बड़े झंडे गाड़ देने. They clearly look at per capita differences in the Sikh that is living outside Punjab. बाहर भी तो रहते हैं.
Yeah.
And inside Punjab, they are flourishing outside Punjab. They are doctors, engineers, tech geeks.
Yeah.
But in Punjab, wahi gand, wahi gangster rap. See, I get worried when a young kid getting up says, my idol is Sidhu Moosewala. I get worried. Now, I think he was a great rapper. I will even I'll admit that Moosewala was talented. But that's not what you should look up to. Like, a society should not emulate certain people. They're allowed. I'm a free speech absolutist. Moosewala can sing whatever he wants to sing. That's not the point. My point is, what does Punjab do? Canada has exploited the Canadian Khalistani and Canada, both the Canadian state and the Canadian... Why is there a Chandigarh consulate? Why do we need a Chandigarh consulate? This is not foreign interference. तुम दिल्ली से काम करो ना, तुमको करना, बॉम्बे में रखो, इनको मुंबई में काउंसलेट करा दो, आधी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. शिफ्ट द चंडीगढ़ काउंसलेट. यू वांट अनदर काउंसलेट, राइट? कम टू मुंबई. You see how they will be fixed in 2 days. Because they cannot do these stunts in Mumbai. The Canadian Chandigarh consulate is, used for all sorts of weird things. And this is where, and again, I have evidence? अरे evidence कैसे दिखाऊं? These things are told to me off the record कि भाई अगर मैंने कोई कनाडा में कांड कर लिया तो मैं किसी लो लेवल ऑफिसर को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स के वहाँ पे रिश्वत दे दूंगा, 1 दिन में मेरा पासपोर्ट बन जाएगा, मैं भाग के इंडिया आ जाऊंगा. यही तो चालू है. यहाँ भाग के वहाँ चल जाओ, वहाँ भाग के यहाँ आ जाओ, बस यही करते जाओ. और पंजाब, वी शुड बी रियली वरीड अबाउट पंजाब from multiple fronts, from the economy, from the society, from our messaging, from a political perspective. Like, tell me a leader in Punjab that you can look up to now. Coming up, like, I have a lot of respect for some leaders in Punjab, whether it's Captain Amrinder Singh, Manish Tiwari, and many others. I genuinely have respect for them. Ironically, as a BJP voter, I have given you 2 congresses.
That's right.
Yeah, I've given you 2 congresses. But I have genuine, heartfelt respect for them. But where is the new leadership in Punjab? Can you sincerely, hand on your heart, point out to a leader in Punjab and say, ye Punjab ko banayega? Because every time we see a new leader in Punjab, they seem to go ahead and say, oh, Panth Khatrich and all that rubbish that every time is used. But where is the leader in Punjab who says, listen, enough of rice and wheat, let's grow lentils. Yeah. Ask yourself, would Canada want Punjab to grow lentils? When Saskatchewan exports so much lentils to Punjab, this is where I keep saying Canada does not want Punjab to prosper. Canada has so many deep-rooted interests in Punjab remaining rotten to the core, which is why India needs to pay attention, because half of our problems are because Canada is creating them.